Hey guys, I'm Tina and I'm a video content creator based in Melbourne, and today I'm going to be reviewing the GoPro Hero9 action camera. Let's unbox it. I am so excited. And it comes in this really cool case, super handy for transporting. Ooh, here it is. Wow, it's so compact. See, I'm on the move a lot, capturing content for my social channels and clients, so this is perfect, and this won't take much space in my photography bag that's already full of stuff. Time to go give it a field test. So I'm just looking back at the footage that I shot, and it is so smooth. Even though I was moving and walking, it's not jumpy at all. This is my favorite feature, the slow motion function, which slows the film down to 240 frames per second, which makes it amazing for super slow-mo. See, how cool is that? This is another really awesome feature. I can stream straight to my social channels too, because it has a webcam function for live streaming. It's super easy to set up. I just plug it in using the USB and off I go. And this is what I would look like if I'm streaming, say, live to YouTube. Hello! You can take stills with the GoPro Hero9 as well, which means you don't need to bring along an extra camera. This is all you need. As you can see, the shots are super crisp and clean. The best thing, I can take it to the beach, swimming pool or water park and not worry about the kids getting the camera wet or splashing it, because it's waterproof up to 10 meters. All in all, I found the GoPro Hero9 action camera to be a really great all-round camera that is light, compact, and that you can pretty much take anywhere with you without having to worry about it getting wet or being really careful with it.